What roles do you guys play in this play?
I'm Seymour.
Orange Scrivello, DDS.
I'm Audrey.
How did the hackers impact your guys' rehearsal?
I didn't notice it at all. My bad. I slept in, so.
So did I.
Do you have that?
No comment.
How stressed did it make Mr. Michael?
He got that. You know how like when white people get angry, their face just turns red. It was that.
He looked like Santa Claus without the jolly and candy.
I'm pretty sure his bald spot got a little bigger.
Hey, this is a roast session. This is a roast session.
We love him. I just want to remind you, if you see this, Mr. Michael, we love you. Don't
we
make
love
us
you.
work extra hard.
Please do not rip our heads off. It was a joke.
All right. Have any of you guys watched any of the classical versions of this play?
I've seen the 1950s one, and I've seen the Rick Moranis one. The Rick Moranis one is better, preferably.
I've seen the 80s one.
I haven't seen anything. I haven't watched a single bit of Little Shop.
Yeah, you guys, I think the show will be really good. I think you guys should go see it. It's this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All for $5 with a student ID.
Yeah, Mom. Hey, it's Alex. Yeah. So, hey, I'm wondering, the kids at school, they're doing Little Shop of Horrors. And remember, we did that my junior year. And I'm wondering, can you send any video from when I did that show? I kind of want to show it to them. Maybe they'll think I'm cool. Maybe they'll see it and say, wow, Mr. Conover was really good. Yeah. Kind of a build rapport kind of thing. Yeah, send it along. Just send over whatever you have. Maybe videotape off the VHS or whatever. Okay. All right. Love you, Mom. Thanks. Hey, Corey. So you're playing the dentist, right?
Uh-huh.
Well, I don't know if you know this, but back in 2005, I did a little bit of theater myself and played the dentist in our own high school production. So I thought I'd show it to you and, show a little bit about kind of just how cool I was back then. Yeah, I mean, you might think, oh, kind of a nerd teacher now, but yeah, just take a look at this.
I thought about that already, so that's fine.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Okay, before you even started, what is that outfit? Can y'all believe this man looked like he just came out of an American Eagle commercial? To make your natural tendencies pay. You don't have any natural tendencies. This looks very forced. This leftover grease character, my guy.
You're offended by this.
I am offended.
I just wore what they gave me, what the wardrobe people gave me.
That looks awful. Tired.
You definitely don't look bad.
This was like a year before I was born.
Oh my God. He looks so rejuvenated. That slick back though, I don't know about that. Connor, were you cool back then? This doesn't look that cool.
He looked like one of the dudes from Grease. Wait, is that what y'all was going for? Grease? Nah, he's a freak.
All right, hi, we're here with the Henry Yearbook crew, and we just want to remind all seniors to check your email for the yearbook survey so you can be featured in the 2023 yearbook.
You can turn in a senior photo, a baby photo, and fill out superlatives like best dress and most likely to be late for graduation.
And then there is a deadline of Tuesday, March 28th.
I don't know. You want to try again?
Give me a hint.
I can't do that. It's going to give it away.
What building had the most stories? A book? A library?
Yep.
A library. Hey, give my shirt 2 times. What? I won twice. Conover can't stop me.
Okay.
Cherries? Yes.
Wrong. It's a blueberry. Because the blueberry is sad.
It's cheer up. Cheer up. I'm thinking about cheer. Okay, cheer up. I would have got that.
Thank you. Thank you for trying.
What building has the most stories?
A hotel?
No.
What can make the octopus laugh?
Can we converse?
Yeah.
Would it be tentacles?
Yeah! You guys can share What fruit can you never cheer up?
What fruit can you never cheer up? I don't know. Pineapple.
Nice try, but it's a blueberry because the blueberry gets sad.
Oh, dang it. I went through all the berries in my head, but I didn't do blueberry. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Please open.